Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So currently we are updating all of the slides which we have already created with the help of the ChatGPT, as we have bring some of the important contents from the ChatGPT or artificial intelligence tool. Now we are updating all of the slides to the attractive purpose. So currently we have updated two of the slides, and in this third slide what I am thinking that one of the video will be there, live video. So what do you think? Is it good idea or not? I think it is good idea, right? So for that purpose, again we are going in the our Pixabay, which is I am not, first of all, again I am telling that I am not doing marketing of this website, but just I am using, as this is totally free, and so that you can also learn how to download important things freely. Okay, so here what I am going to give prompt engineering only, prompt engineering. And I am going to select, instead of image, I am going to select the video. Let us press the enter. Once you press the enter, you can see that there are few of the important things will be coming up on the screen. Let us wait for few minutes. And from this background, we can select any of the things. But if you are not getting prompts like whatever you have texted, so you have to just change the prompt, right? I'm not getting anything, so what I'm going to write down here as computer coding, so that I want that one of the person is typing or something on the computer, so it looks like a prompt engineering, correct? So let us wait for the answer which Pixabay will give. Here the another part, like with the Pixabay there are n number of things are there, like pixels.com, just write down unsplash.com, you can directly use this. So you can see that one of the robot which is typing something and motivational type. So let us download this video. Okay, so you just have to open up. If you like this but you don't want to select, so what you can do, once you open up the screen, you can see the different related video in the bottom of the part, so that you can select from bottom side also if you don't like this. So currently we are going to download in the little bit good quality. I think the highest quality will be little bit costlier to you. So you don't go for the 1920, otherwise it will be costly, or I think 1280. So we are going to select this 960 and let us download. Okay. Once it is downloaded, let us come back to our PowerPoint presentation. Here what we are going to add? Yeah, we are going to add the video. So again it will be reflected under this picture only, this device, and all, I think it all pictures, but we have to select all files, correct? And we are going to select one of our the video. Okay, now you can see that one of the video is available, and here what we are going to do, we will shift our whole the text to the right hand side. The video will be on the right hand side. So let us drag this box so that our text will be right hand side. Whenever we come to this slide, the video must automatically will be played. For that purpose, here you can see the top of the side, video format tab is available. Okay, so reset design, if you want to do the reset design, and here you can see that under video format you can update the properties of the video, but we want to go to playback. So here if you want to play or pause, you can do from here also. If you want to add any bookmark, like from this point this must be added or removed, but this is not we use generally. This trim video, if you want to have a specific start time and end time, like we don't want the whole video to be played, so what we will do, we will just drag the start time here, and we will drag our stop time is up till whenever it opens his hands. Okay, from here we want, correct? So we will just press the OK. Now our video has been compressed with the 3 seconds only. Here if your video contains the volume, it can have the volume. If you press the high, I don't know that whether it contains the volume, I think it is not, so we will just skip that part. And if you want to have in click sequence automatically when clicked on, so we will select automatically and loop until stop. Please select this, and then let me say a whole presentation. You may wonder that once we go to the slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, it must be played, but it is not being played. So it will be played when we open up the presentation. So this is called as a presentation view. Don't bother about this currently. You can see that currently it is playing, and it is playing under the loop. So don't bother about this presentation view. We are going to have several separate sessions on that. So I think how to add the video part in the image, sorry, in the PPT, you may clear with that. So let us stop here, and in the next tutorial we will take some of the new interesting thing. Thank you.